Kiama kia ODM gikoretwo gikihurwo ni makumbi iguru rigie itemi riakio thirikari-ini ya urumwe na makiria kuma riria uria wari mutongoria wa kiama giki Raila Odinga akuire. Atongoria a kiama giki makoretwo na mirugamo ngurani ya kana ni magirirwo guthie na mbere na kunyitanira na thirikari, no minista wa hinya wa kuhuthika Opiyo Wandayi arauga ko matirauma tondu ari ho riciria riri rigithugundwo.
So I know the intention then of Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. I know. Because we discussed with him. Baba was a foremost negotiator. That can you imagine that in a government, in a cabinet that is made up of no more than 22 persons as per the constitution, and in a government that our party and our people did not vote for, Baba was able to negotiate and get 6 cabinet slots.
Arauga mbere ya githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027 ni magacoka metha-ini kwaraniria na President William Ruto, mwena wao ugitongorio ni mutongoria wao Oburu Oginga.
Na mimi na hakika yeye akiketi chini na Mheshimiwa Rais William Ruto, we shall not come out as losers. Because the President has demonstrated utmost goodwill and utmost good faith in his dealing with our people, despite the fact that we did not vote for him. Let us face the facts and tell our people the truth. That as things stand, the person who is best placed to win these elections is Ruto. And since we are ready with him in the broad-based government as was desired by Baba, let us support him.
We cannot change the course. The course must remain constant. And that course must be for a Kenya where everyone feels at home, a Kenya where everyone feels prosperous, and a Kenya where there is equal opportunity for all of us.
Okiriire atongoria aria makoretwo makionania nganja na unyitaniri wa na thirikari, oriri nake mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka onekete kuha atongoria ODM aria mari na murugamo ngurani.
And therefore those who are making noise, your noise is premature. Hiyo kelele yenu imekuja mapema sana. Ngojeni muonyeshwe barabara na kiongozi wetu wa chama Daktari Oburu Oginga.
So I'm asking our brothers in ODM, the progressive arm of ODM, led by people like Sifuna, Osotsi, our little girl Winnie, Babu Owino, Mama Ida herself, the leader, Dr. Oburu, please remember your first love. Remember that. Just do some introspection every night you go to bed. And join us in this united opposition to complete the task in memory of Raila Amolo Odinga.
Girifotra Inoro TV, Jitagwa Gathoni, Wajehia.